Hello friends, today's recipe is a very traditional Gujarati dish. It's called Muthia, and which is made from flour and Bottlegourd, and it is very healthy, and it is steamed, not fried, so it is low in calorie. So let's start. But before, I'd like you to subscribe my channel if you're new to my channel. So let's start with 2 cups of Bottlegourd, which I have grated, and I am going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and 2 tablespoons of green chili paste, 1 teaspoon of Ajwain, I just add to aid digestion, and 2 teaspoons of sesame seeds, handful of chopped fresh fenugreek leaves, methi, or if you don't have, you can use Kasoori Methi, which is dried, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida or hing, 1 teaspoon of dhaniya jeera powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now this is optional. Half cup of besan or ladoo besan, which is coarse, 1 cup of wheat flour, whole wheat flour, and 1 tablespoon of oil. Now we wanted to mix everything and start kneading the dough. We don't need to add any water because the Bottlegourd has enough water so that it can knead the dough itself. And sometimes it releases so much water, you might want to add additional flour, which you can do that. So the dough is ready. Now I'm just going to take a plate, which is a steamer plate. I have a steamer, water boiling in the steamer pot, and I'm just going to make a fistful of logs like this, and just put it on the plate and put it into the steamer. Now I apply some oil so that it doesn't get stuck, and somehow my camera didn't capture that part when I was putting into the steamer. But we wanted to steam for 20 minutes, and after 20 minutes let's do the test. If the stick comes out clear, it means it's cooked. So I'm going to take it out on a plate, let this cool, and when it's cool we are going to chop them into pieces like this, about a 1/2 inch thick pieces. And how beautiful it looks, it's perfect. Now let's prepare the tempering. I heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan, add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, asafoetida or hing, and Ajwain. I'm adding a little bit of Ajwain and fresh chopped green chilies, and we're going to add the Muthiyas in there and just toss it up. And we want it to cook until the edges are slightly golden. This is really low calorie snack, and it goes really well with masala chai. Now I'm adding some sesame seeds. It looks more beautiful, and add that nice nutty flavor, and sprinkle some fresh chopped coriander, hara dhaniya, and look how beautiful it looks. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel if you haven't done so, and I'll bring easy recipes every week. Also comment below if you like this recipe, how would you like it. Here your Muthia is ready. I'm serving it with masala chai. So write in the comment box below how you like this recipe, and I'll see you next time with another simple recipe. Till then, enjoy, happy eating.